in addition to the FXS, the motor that we came out with is the C3 Electronics Minion. So the Minion motor is very small in form factor. It's about like 1 inch by 1 inch, maybe I think it's a tiny bit more. Weighs like 0.4 of a pound. So it's a pretty lightweight motor. It's been designed with a lot of compatibilities in mind. So on the front of the motor, I know you guys might not be able to see it, so hopefully the picture provides a little bit better. The boss is the same boss diameter as the X44 and Kraken X60, and the spline is the SplineXS. So that's completely intercompatible with any of the West Coast products interfaces for SplineXS. Do note that the shaft is a little bit shorter. It's, I think, 3/4 the length of the Kraken X60 shaft and Kraken X44 shaft. And the other important difference is that the mounting interface is a little bit different. So the Kraken X60, I believe, has 1/2 inch spaced holes. Because of the short diameter of the motor and keeping space incompatible with the boss of the motor, it's not compatible with the Kraken X60 holes. It does have an interface compatible with the X44, I believe Sim style and Neo 550 style hole pattern. So lots of compatibilities there. So in most cases, all you need to do to adapt your existing mechanisms is either drill out a mounting hole if it doesn't already have one available, or increase the boss a little, increase the size of your boss a little bit to have a secure engagement. Did you have a question? One of the interfaces is a 1032. So there's a 632 compatible interface, a 1032 compatible interface, and I think it's 440 as well.